Hira Bhana farms have been operating for well over 60 odd years now. Currently we're cropping over 1,500 acres, and in that crop cycle we've got potatoes, onions, carrots, brassica, lettuce, pumpkin and a little bit of watermelon. Well, I think the aim of any farmer is trying to produce a produce that is environmentally sustainable. Well, I think technology is a great thing. It seems we've got younger members coming into the family. It takes a lifetime to learn what the older members have learnt. And with new technology, they can actually see exactly when water is needed. Having that sort of technology, we can actually put on less water than what we're putting on in the old days. So sometimes less is more. That is one of the things that we have to be careful of looking after our water resource, because it's not there in abundance, it's getting scarce.
For the Hira Bhana solution, we are utilising a highly accurate, cost-effective Dragino sensor, measuring soil moisture, soil temperature and electrical conductivity. These have a battery life of 10 years and take a soil measurement every 20 minutes. 2 sensors are installed at each location at different depths. This provides the farmer a clear understanding of what's happening with their soil moisture profile, allowing them to optimise their irrigation.
Spark IoT is all about helping New Zealanders connect to the things that matter. We're able to do this by partnering with the likes of AWS and Adroit. Here at Hira Bhana, we've deployed a private LoRaWAN network which allows the data to be collected securely and easily. It's important that customers have access to their data when they need it, without necessarily understanding the technology behind it.
By having this technology available and with the ease of installation, which is a tick, it does help us because now it's in real time. We can look at the data in the morning, in the afternoon, whenever we feel like it, and we can make some real decisions on when the crop actually needs water and how much water it needs. And by making that decision, we're actually saving on water usage, which is good for the plant, good for the environment, because if we're not sustainable, what's the future generations going to do? And that's something that our family is big on, that we believe that we've got to leave something behind for future generations.